Monstera, Monstera. Had it not been for Jane, a neighbor of mine, I wouldn't have been introduced to the world of Monstera, known popularly as the Swiss cheese plant. I also got to discover a group of people on Instagram known as plant lovers. So inspired I was that I created products for everyone who enjoys and loves plants. So there you go, a little story behind my design inspirations. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. Take a look at this plant. This is known as the Monstera plant. Now the Monstera plant is really unusual because of its leaves. Well, every plant is unusual and unique on its own, but what makes this plant unusual for me and brings me so much joy is that every single leaf is full of holes. It's also known as the Swiss cheese plant. I guess it's kind of remind me of Swiss cheese, isn't it, with all the holes? And look at the beauty on top. That's how it grows. First from a node, and then a leaf like that. I can't wait for it to unfold itself. It doesn't take long, just a couple of days, and before you know it, becomes a beautiful leaf like this. So what's around you? What kind of plant is around you that brings you fascination and simple joy? This one is doing that for me right now, giving me lots of joy, simple joy. Hope you enjoy this one.